Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the TP-Link router that says connected no internet using the effective troubleshooting methods. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply open your TP-Link Tether application, or you can also log in into your router's web interface. Now over here, you just have to check one thing, which is the IP address and the status. If it is showing you this type of 0.0.0.0, or if it remains blank, it simply means that the router isn't receiving an internet connection from your modem or ISP. The next thing that you need to do is to simply check the internet cable which is connected to your router's WAN port. So if you are using the modem, simply unplug both the modem and the router for about 1 minute, and then after 1 minute simply turn the modem on first, wait until it is fully online, and then power the TP-Link router. So this particular process allows the router to obtain a fresh IP address. Now if your WAN connection looks normal but the website still won't load, the next thing that you can change is the DNS server under the internet settings. So over here what you can do is you can just simply make it to 8.8.8.8 and 1.1.1.1, and then you can just simply save the settings and reconnect your device. So this often resolves the DNS related browsing issues. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.